Winter is here and drying clothes can be a challenge. But what if I told you there's a way to dry your laundry faster, save energy, and stay sustainable this season?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eco Living Explorers. Today, we are sharing 5 genius tips to dry your clothes sustainably this winter. Let's dive right in.
Tip 1. Use your washing machine's highest spin cycle. It removes as much water as possible, cutting your drying time significantly.
Just make sure your fabrics can handle the high spin.
Tip 2. Hang clothes strategically. Place heavier items closer to heat sources and lighter ones on the edges for even drying.
Pro tip, keep a safe distance from heaters to avoid fire hazards.
Tip 3. Invest in a foldable drying rack. They're compact, reusable, and allow proper air circulation. Tip 4. Use a dehumidifier or a fan. Dehumidifiers suck moisture from the air, speeding up drying, while fans keep the air moving.
Plus, they're energy efficient compared to tumble dryers.
Tip 5. Wool dryer balls aren't just for tumble dryers. Pop them between your laundry as you hang clothes to improve airflow.
There you have it. 5 simple, sustainable ways to dry clothes this winter. No tumble dryer? No problem. Try these tips and let me know what works for you in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eco-friendly hacks. Until next time, stay cozy and stay green.